Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the first female child in Igbo land. Please, before we do so, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Let us dive into the video. All Igbo female child is called Ada, but the first female child is called Adanne or Adanna. Adanne, Adanna, or Ada in short, or Adobe, is not just a name, it is a title that carries many responsibilities within the family. This title comes with honor, but also a strong expectation for leadership and support for the younger siblings. Firstborn daughters are often expected to sacrifice for their younger siblings, to give up their own needs, to care for others, to lead by example, even when you are struggling to lead yourself, to work and not to play. Ada is considered a special child with a unique personality and responsibilities. The birth of the Ada is celebrated because of the family expectation of the special position she holds. The Ada is honored, respected, and her status gives her certain privileges in the family. The Ada is seen as the representative of her parents, and her actions would attract judgment to her entire family. She is expected to lead by example by exhibiting good manners, respect for elders, and obedience. Her father, who is the head of the family, would not undertake any significant decision without consulting her. This means that Ada rules transcend the family and extend to the communities. She is responsible for safeguarding the family's valuables. Ada bridged the gap of the ancestors. If the father goes home without a male child, the Ada holds the responsibility of carrying the family's name into the next generation. The Ada is expected to produce offspring who would continue the family lineage. Ada plays a vital role in managing the household, which include supervising the activities of the younger ones, preparing meals, cleaning the house, maintaining the family peace and harmony. The Ada is considered the spoken person for the family in the community. She represents the family meeting, especially the Umuada meeting, and was expected to speak wisely when discussing family matters. She has the responsibilities of preserving the community's traditions and custom. She will teach her siblings and younger generation about the community's norms and values, and promote culture practices within the community as it should be. Ada is still seen as an essential figure in Igbo society, and her position remains of great value. Ada in every Igbo family believe they don't have to fail, and when they fail, they feel the shame and the guilty. But what did they do? They pick up their pieces and get up immediately. That is an Ada. Ada believes that she don't have to relax in everything that she's doing. Both the house choice, taking care of the parents, taking care of the siblings, they still protect their elder ones. Ada protects their elder brothers, even if when they are married. That is a strength of an Ada in Igbo land. Ada always look like the mom in everything that she does. She might not look like her physically, but she looks up to the mother. The mother is the real model of Ada. Igbo fathers always love their daughters, their first daughters, so much because they represent their moms in everything they do. That's why the Igbo's fathers love them so much. And if the father goes home to their creator, it's the responsibility of the Ada to wear the father's title clothes, like Ozo, Zenozo. If the father has a title, She is the one that's supposed to wear the clothes, not the Diokpara. She is the one that's supposed to wear the clothes when they are doing the burial. If you are from Anambra, you understand that Ada holds a very high responsibility in their father's burial. You must contribute financially unless you are not of age. But even if you are not of age, you have to participate in some certain things. At least you have to wear your father's clothes. So in everything, Ada don't inherit anything from the father. It is not your entitlement. There is no way you will inherit anything from your father in Igbo land. Unless your father just decided to bless you with some certain things. The day of your marriage, it is the day that your family will settle you. They will buy a lot of things for you. They will buy clothes. They will buy fridge, mortar for cooking, gas cooker. They will buy so many things. Even if they have car, if they have money for car, they might buy car for you. They will settle you that day of your marriage. But for you to inherit any landed property or anything from your father is not done in Igbo land. It is not your entitlement, but your father can decide to give it to you. But if your father don't have, you don't supposed to go and start having issues with your brothers and trying to share properties. No, it is not your entitlement. That is not your entitlement. This is your fate as an Ada. You have to take it with faith and embrace it. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, because on this topic I'll still come back and visit it. I'll visit so many topics that you do not know. So please subscribe, because in my channel we do a lot of things. Thank you for being here. God bless you. Bye. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Bye.